Hello and welcome everyone, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be sharing DIY paper rose. So let's get started. First you'll need an A4 size sheet. Fold it in half. Then cut it out with a pair of scissors. Take any one of the half and then fold it like I'm showing here. After done folding, cut it out. You will get 2 flowers after you cut it, and then you'll have to repeat the same thing with the other half. So you'll get 4 flowers. Then you have to take the flower number 1 and cut 1 petal out of it. Then take the flower number 2 and cut 2 petals. And that's how you have to go. Increase the number of petals. Flower 3, cut 3 petals, and then flower 4, cut 4 petals. When done cutting, start rolling all the petals with a paintbrush or pencil. Then you have to take the petal number 1 and fold it something like this with the help of your paintbrush. Then stick it with glue. Then start sticking all of your petals with glue. The result is in front of you. This is how all of the flowers will be looking after you stick them and fold them. So now you'll have to stick all of the flowers on top of each other. The flower with the lesser number of petals would come on the top. To make the flowers stick much better, you can take the help of a paintbrush or a pencil. And there you go, you have your flower ready. Now I'll take a green paper to make the stem. To roll it, either take a paintbrush or pen riffle. As you go ahead, start sticking it with glue. This would make it even more firm. So when you're left with a small end, stick it with glue. You'll also need to cut the improper ends. And as we will not be able to stick the stem with the flower, we'll need to cut 4 flaps. Apply glue on all of them and stick it with the flower. After the flower is complete, make leaves. So I'll just cut it with the leftover green paper and then stick it. And there it is, our flower is ready. I made one more of it as I really liked. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please make sure to click that red subscribe button down below. And yeah, also make sure to watch my previous videos.